What is good, ladies and gentlemen, and happy New Year's to all of my subscribers, all of my people, all my brothers, man. I appreciate y'all. It's a new year, so let's get to work. Today we're gonna be doing a charge harness change up. Me changing up my whole charge harness period, and relocating my battery back to the engine bay because why not? You know, I want a different look. The trunk is cool, but I'd rather it be closer to the fuse box and everything to where it's supposed to be. So, let's see what we could do. Did you like the video yet? Yeah, do me that favor. Hold me down. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, man. That will help me out a lot to grow. But without any further ado, let's get it going. The old battery setup, I used this chassis point as the ground. To be honest, I think I'm gonna move my battery maybe a little bit up more. I don't know, I have to see the wiring and how far it goes back. It's pretty long, pause, but I don't think it's gonna reach the full thing. Look what I found underneath the spare tire. I didn't even know this car had a spare tire. I never bothered to look back here. But I'm just trying to find a good place to reroute the battery. It's gonna be kind of hard. Unless I make it like a little access hole over there so I can feed the positive wire to the positive post, and I could put it more up or something. All right, boys, so I went ahead and I did something off camera. It wasn't really much, to be honest. I'm still in the process of getting it done. All right. But I think it's a better spot, and it's been here for a while. But I told you guys I was gonna be changing something around, and I put the battery back in the engine bay. So pretty much I got the tray that I use for the trunk, and I drilled holes and I riveted them on the bottom, put the battery in. It was a perfect placement. I had to cut like these brackets a little bit, see if they were touching, and they were good. And so yeah, battery is like really firm in there. It's not going anywhere. So now I can work on my charge harness. All right, so far got the power cable out that I ran. I have the alternator, and I have the other starter. Now I have to find, oh, there it goes, the new charge, the Rywire charge harness. It's kind of lengthy, to be honest. All right, so I got everything hooked up except for the negative. I have alternator, fuse box stays with the alternator, power directly to the power post, starter wire to the starter. So all I gotta do is hook up that negative and test the car out to see if it starts. Damn, that was first crank. I haven't turned this car on in a while. That's lit. Well, boys, she starts on the first crank with the new charge harness. I'm very happy with that Rywire charge harness. It was only $40. It was actually relatively cheap. I had to modify the fuse box lid a little bit because of the bigger lug. I need to go to the junkyard and get pretty much this whole piece, because new, but it'll work for now. It's been holding up. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about the charge harness setup. Do you think that this is a good spot for it? I know it kind of like, I know I have issues with the intake, but it is what it is. I find a way. There's always a way. But yeah. All right, boys. That'll be all for today's video on the key swap the cord. Tell me what you guys think in the comments on the new location for the battery. To my opinion, I like it. It looks almost OEM, minus the open throttle body. But that'll be fine. I'll fab something up or get something custom made for it to finish the look. But that'll be all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.